Have you ever found yourself staring at your phone, waiting for that one specific notification, only to realize you're the one doing all the heavy lifting? It's a heavy feeling, isn't it? That tiny ache in your chest when you wonder if he is thinking about you as much as you are. Thinking about him. We've all been there. We try to be more available, more caring, more everything. But sometimes, the harder we pull, the further they drift. The truth is, making someone miss you isn't about mind games or being cold. It is about a subtle shift in psychology, moving from a place of wanting to a place of being. If you want to create that space where he truly realizes your value, here are 4 steps that work, not by manipulation, but by reconnecting with your own power. Step 1. The gift of absence. It sounds like a cliche, but think about it. How can someone miss you if you never leave? In a world of instant replies and 24/7 connectivity, silence has become a rare luxury. When we really like someone, our instinct is to fill every gap with a text or a call. But when you give him the gift of absence, you're actually giving him the room to notice the void where your energy used to be. It is in those quiet moments when he sees something funny and realizes he can't tell you right away that the missing starts to happen. You aren't being mean, you're just giving him the space to breathe and remember why he likes having you around. Step 2. Chase your own glow. There is nothing more magnetic than a woman who is genuinely occupied with her own happiness. When you stop centering your schedule around his maybe plans and start investing in your own hobbies, your friends, and your growth, your energy changes. You aren't just waiting anymore. You're living. When he sees you glowing, thriving, and most importantly happy without him being the sole reason for it, it triggers a powerful realization. He'll start to wonder what's making you so radiant, and he'll want to be a part of that magic again. Step 3. Leave a sensory trace. Psychology tells us that our memories are deeply tied to our senses. You don't need to leave a literal forgotten sweater at his place though, that works too. It's about the emotional and sensory anchors you leave behind. Maybe it's the specific scent of your perfume, a song you both loved, or a unique way you laughed at his jokes. These are tiny bookmarks in his mind. When he encounters those triggers in his daily life, his brain will automatically pull up a file of you. It's a gentle, subconscious nudge that keeps you present even when you're miles away. Step 4. Be a priority, not an option. This is the most important step for your own heart. When you stop being the girl who is always available and start being the woman who has boundaries, the dynamic shifts. If he calls you last minute, it's okay to say, "I'd love to, but I have plans." You aren't playing hard to get, you are simply hard to get because your time is valuable. When a man realizes that your presence is a privilege he has to earn, he will naturally value it and miss it much more. Remember, the goal isn't just to make him miss you, it's to remind yourself that you are a whole, beautiful person with or without his attention. When you realize that, he usually realizes it too. Which of these steps do you find the hardest to do? Let's talk about it in the comments. You aren't alone in this.